said, today it is the last dispersal assembly of the year 2025. And here on my left, we have some students of the school. They are representing classes 6 to 12. They are some of the finest students that we have in our school. There are several other very good students in our school, but it's not possible to have everybody here on the stage. These children are representing classes 6 to 12. And every time when examination is held, these students always score very good marks. Now, there will be 8 holidays, means from 24th to 1st, there will be holidays, winter break will be there. Now, if holidays are there, free time is there, what these children would like to do in order to make the best use of their free time, we will talk to them, we will listen to them. They are good students. All of you also are good students. They are exceptional. All of you should also become exceptional. So, अगर हम इनकी बात सुने, इनका मेथड सुने, उसको समझने की कोशिश करें और हो सके तो उसको हम अपनी जिंदगी में उतारें, तो हम भी एक्सेप्शनल हो सकते हैं, सारे के सारे बच्चे एक्सेप्शनल हो सकते हैं। इनकी बातों को सुनते हैं, हो सकता है उसमें कुछ अच्छा टिप मिल जाए जो कि सारे बच्चे उसको अपनाएं और सारे बच्चे आने वाले दिनों में जो इम्तिहान होने वाले हैं इमीडिएटली छुट्टियों के बाद उसमें सारे बच्चे अच्छा करें। Put your bags down, beta, in case you are having your bags on the back. But there are people who usually waste this precious time, and for them free time is not the precious time. This is wasteful time slot. How do you perceive your free time? Is it precious or it is wasteful?
It is very precious.
So how do you think that you are going to make it precious? It does not become precious on its own. We have to make it precious. Yes.
So I'm going to make it precious by all the syllabus that have been done. So I would like to recall all of that syllabus and try to learn everything, and also do my holiday homework and spend my time on reading as well, and so that when the examinations come, I will be fully confident.
Very good. So Gurvinder Singh says that he would like to cover the entire syllabus. He would like to read. He would like to make his free time the most precious time, and he will not be indulging in time-wasting pursuits. कोई टाइम वेस्ट करने वाली एक्टिविटी में ये पार्टिसिपेट नहीं करेगा, and when the school reopens and examination is held, he will be fully prepared for that. Next, please. Yes. So examination is to start when the school reopens. In a few days' time, your pre-final examination will be there, and then short break will be there, means a few days break will be there when revision will be held again, और उसके बाद once again there will be final examination. So we'll be having 2 rounds of examination, first pre-final examination and then final examination. Will you be making good use of your vacation period in order to prepare yourself for the examination, or you will be focusing only on homework?
I will make the good use of my free time by preparing some chapters that are coming in pre-boards and finals.
So you will see the syllabus. Tomorrow, dear students, when you come to the school, you will be given a copy of the syllabus. The syllabus that you have to prepare in order to groom yourself for your final examination. So it is important that the syllabus is studied minutely, and syllabus is to be prepared in a manner that when you come to the school after the winter break, you should be ready for the final examination. The syllabus should be studied, syllabus should be revised, and this is the best time to revise the syllabus. Next, please. Usually, when you are coming to the school, here revision is held, revision classes are conducted. So, the revision has not been started in the non-board classes. In board classes, revision has started, but it has not completed as yet. So, my question to you, Rajanpreet, as well as to the other students and these students who are standing in the ground and corridor is, will you be depending only on teachers for doing your revision, or you will be making use of the winter vacation spell in order to revise the syllabus?
I will be making use of my winter vacations to do revision on my own as well.
So it is not this that you will wait that the vacation period gets over. When the vacation period gets over and then teachers conduct revision classes and then you will start revision. You will not wait for that time slot. During vacation period, first of all, you will be doing your own revision. You will complete the entire syllabus. During the winter break, you will have the clarity of your doubts, and when the school reopens, you will be focusing on your doubts. This will be a very good strategy. Dear students, it will be a very good strategy that during the vacation, all of you revise the entire syllabus on your own. Make a note of your doubts, of your difficulties. So when you note down your doubts and difficulties, then after the vacation, when the school reopens, you come to the school, you attend revision classes. In revision classes, when your teachers, they are revising the syllabus, that way, during that time slot, your doubts and difficulties will be removed. तो पहले आप पढ़ें, अपने डाउट्स की क्लैरिटी लें, उसके बाद जब स्कूल में आए, क्लासेस अटेंड करें, तो आपके सारे डाउट्स, सारी डिफिकल्टीज रिमूव कर दी जाएंगी. दिस इज वेरी गुड स्ट्रेटजी. Everybody should follow this. Next is, if self-study is not done, so is it going to be harmful?
Yes, sir. If self-study is not going to be
During winter vacation, you are getting an opportunity when you can do self-study. When you are attending the school on regular basis, so at times you don't get sufficient time span to do your self-study. But now when you have your winter break, during winter break you can easily focus on your work and you can do self-study. If it is not done, how does it really harm you?
If we don't do any of the self-study, it will be really very harmful for us, as self-study itself includes the recapitulation of all the concepts, all the formulas and all the doubts that are raised in our mind. So it is very important to clear all the doubts, and it is the self-evaluation as well and the self-analysis of yourself. So it is very important to recapitulate and to analyze of yourself, like how we are prepared and how we are preparing for our upcoming exam.
Very good answer given by Arpandeep Kaur. She says that self-study is extremely important. If self-study is done, then we do self-evaluation also. When you do self-study, means you study your books, you study your notebooks, you study the content given in your chapters, you study the content given in your classroom notebooks, in your homework notebooks. When everything is studied minutely, you get to know this much is known to me very well and this much is not known to me very well. So whatever is known to you very well, you can further strengthen it by working on that, and whatever is not known to you very well, you can convert that weakness into strength later on by attending your classes and by focusing on the work that is going on in the presence of the teachers. There comes the role of the teacher. Total dependence on the teacher is not a fine idea. The right idea, right course of action is this, that first you work on your own, have clarity of your strengths, have clarity of your shortcomings, and then when you meet the teacher, Make sure that you share your difficulties with the teacher, read the books more minutely, and thus your shortcomings can be converted into strengths. So good point, self-study means self-evaluation, self-assessment. That's very nice. Okay, see, there are students who prepare a specific schedule and they work as per that schedule. If this much time is to be given to this subject, this much time is to be given to this subject. There are others who do not have any specific schedule. Whatever is their mood, as per their mood, they study. How will you be studying?
First of all, I'll be making a plan so that I don't get distracted and plan my time well.
So planning, Samreen Kaur is one of the toppers of our school, and we are hoping that she scores more than 95-96% marks in 12th standard. She says that if plan is not there, study plan is not there, we lose our focus. There's a possibility we may get distracted. So, in order to save ourselves from all sorts of distractions, it is very important that we have proper study schedule. It is this request which has been made to all the students of the school that they should have proper time slots for doing their revision. Time slots to study. This is what Samreen Kaur is also saying, that time slots to study are very important. If we do not have time slots to study, we lose our focus, we get distracted. What will be your strategy? Will you be having time slots or there will be no time slots?
Sir, I also have my time slot to study, because if we do not have any time slot, we get distracted and we doesn't focus on our concepts.
So time slots you will also be following.
Yes, sir, it is very important for everyone to follow.
Okay, how will you be making use of your winter vacation spell?
So I will also prepare my whole day schedule. For example, if I have to cover my syllabus tomorrow, I will prepare the schedule of tomorrow by today itself, so that I will not waste any of my time.
So one is that we prepare a timetable that is to be followed in the entire vacation. Second is that we prepare a timetable of the next day a day in advance. So Sargun says that she will be preparing timetable of the next day a day in advance. So this is her strategy, this is what suits her, but planning is mandatory.
Yes, sir.
No day should be unplanned.
Yes, sir.
This is what you are suggesting?
Yes, sir.
No day will be unplanned. Is it understood by all? No day should be unplanned. So if we are to make the optimum use of our winter break, it's very important that we have proper plan for each and every day. Is it so? Next please. How are you going to make use of your winter break spell in the best possible manner?
I will focus on my whole syllabus to cover my whole syllabus. Then I will be so confident in exams that I can score even more good marks in exams.
So you will also be focusing on the whole syllabus. It is not this that revision is to be conducted after the vacation. So once the revision starts here at the school, then you will do your revision. Is it like that?
No, sir. I should do my self-study by my own.
So, big round of applause for everyone. We are really delighted to have this conversation with these brilliant, outstanding students of our school. We see brilliance in them. We see a lot of potential and promise in each one of you. New year is going to start in a few days' time. This new year should bring new brilliance in everybody's life. This new year should bring a new hope, and this new year should bring a lot of success to every family, to every household, to every human life, to every mother, to every father, and to every student of Reverdale Public School. This is what we are hoping. On this note, we are having our today's dispersal. I'm sure that whatever discussion we have had here on the stage, all the children of the school, they will also gain something out of the insights shared by these students of our school, and everybody will try in a manner that when the school reopens, they come to the school, they show their outstanding homework, and then they also showcase a lot of efforts that they have made in the revision, and later on when examination is held, we are quite confident that along with these 7 students, other students also, they will be doing extremely well in their examination, pre-final examination and then final examination. Wish you all the best. No clapping please.